Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. And I'm also going to leave individual links to the beads that I get in this box in case you just want a few things, but not the entire box, alright? So let's go ahead, open this up. And again, they gave us this cord that we can reuse for jewelry. Did I just make the knot worse? I think so. It's a wax cotton cord. And it's jewelry grade, so you can reuse it for bracelets or necklace. Okay. And in case you're new to this box, this here is a piece of paper that has a link to a video tutorial showing us how to put together projects in this box. And then here's their flyer. They don't usually put this in here, it's in the other box. But this is for their store in Prague. And here are both of the subscriptions that come from this company, the Czech Beads exclusive and BohemStyle box. And their social media. And they do have free tutorials on their website and on their social media. So check that out. Okay. First thing here looks like a gift. This might be earrings. Is that a paper inside the bag or sticker? It's a sticker. So here is, oh, there's some cool chain here. I'm going to open this because I can't tell what exactly it is. See. Oh. I cannot remember if I have this in my stash or not. It's ball chain with cup chain, and they are soldered together. And on the top, I'm trying to situate it here so you can see. See? On the top there's this little fail. See, they're soldered together there. So they're really awesome for earrings, because they're so sparkly. And also you can cut these shorter, so there's both. You don't have to leave them this long if you're not crazy about it. So up to you. Those are cool. I want to say I have this, or maybe something like this, in my stash. Okay. And then we have eye pins, and these are not regular Czech fire polish beads. I wasn't going to open these, but now that I see that they are different, they look like disco beads, but they're Czech. A disco bead is a round bead, and it has facets on it like a disco ball. This looks like it's Czech fire polish though, and it's faceted like a disco bead. Do you see the square facets? But it's oval shaped, so that means that it's Czech, and plus it comes from this company, and everything they sell are in these boxes are Czech beads. But I have never seen a fire polish bead like that. First time. That's cool. Okay. And then we have ear wires. Moving on to this box now. We have 4mm amber full, it looks like, Czech fire polish beads. 3 of those. We have 4mm jump rings, maybe smaller. They're pretty tiny. We have gold star charms, and they look the same on both sides. They're thick, really nice quality. I love those. Okay. And oh, we have a bigger one. This one's not double-sided, but you really can't tell unless you stare at it. That's the front, and then that's the back. It's flat. That's cute too. And then we have, these are cool. This is like a Czech fire polish bead, but it's half of a Czech fire polish bead. I've used these before in a BohemStyle subscription. The one that had the seahorse on it, it was like ocean themed necklace. That was one of the prettiest necklaces I've ever got in this box. It was a few months ago. I'll put a picture up now. So see, it's just like a Czech fire polish bead, but it is half of the bead. It's like cut in half. It's pretty neat. At first I thought it was kind of strange, and then when I used it in that necklace, it was awesome. Yeah, it's kind of like a bead cap. And then we have 8mm Czech fire polish beads, and they have a pearl finish on them. See? Looks vintage. And then we have Czech pearls. I guess this is a potato shape. Color looks vintage again. And then more Czech fire polish, or not Czech fire polish, Czech pearls. It's a twisted pearl. I think I might have a couple of these in my stash. And then, and by the way, I'm not opening up every bag because I need to make this video faster. This box actually came in late, so I'm trying to get it up and out there. Here we have extender chain, and I can't tell if there's one or two in there. It kind of looks like two. Yeah, there's two. Okay, and that chain is a curb chain. And then these look like 80 seed beads. Maybe a little bit bigger. In black. Those are Czech seed beads. We have bead stringing wire in gold. And then green Czech fire polish teardrops. Those are gorgeous. In Czech fire polish, the gemstone colors really makes it look like it's a gemstone. Gemtone colors make it look like it's a gemstone. So I'm trying to say. Doesn't that look like emerald? It's beautiful. So, I like those. And then, look at these here. Same bead, teardrop looks like it's, yeah, same size. And this looks like amethyst, doesn't it? Beautiful. So obsessed with Czech beads. Then we have crimp covers, two of those. And Mr. New Row. We have Lobster Claw clasps. 2 gold. We have some 6mm or 5 jump rings, and they're pretty thick quality, maybe 18 gauge. And then, which I love thick jump rings. And then we have Lucerna bicones. I've used these so many times in my designs. Those are awesome. That's Aztec gold, that color. And then we have a chain. This is a cable chain. This is the one that's flat on each side. It's like it was hammered, but it's not hammered like it's a pattern where it looks like it's faceted. It's just flat on the sides. Oval length is flat on the sides. Then we have crimp tubes. There's a lot in this box. Okay, next is ball head pins. Those are gorgeous. And they do send us thin head pins a lot like this, and they are perfect for pearls. Do you see how thin they are? For freshwater pearls. And then we have 2 teardrops again, Czech fire polish. And then, this is kind of interesting, huh? Oh, I love these. This is the teardrop shaped melon bead. I gotta open this one. This bead, is it clear or is it jonquil? It's kind of hard to tell. It's clear, and it has gold splatter on it. Very pretty. Okay, those are awesome. And then we have 60 galvanized gold seed beads. And then these are Czech bicones. This is the last thing in the box. We don't have any stowage. No? Okay. So this is a Czech bicone. And I'll open these for you to show you them because they're not like any Bicone. These Bicones, the Czech ones, are more elongated than like PRECIOSA or Swarovski. Do you see it's a more elongated cone? Now the ends are totally round and smooth. This bead will not cut your thread. It's very good quality. They're very nice. So that is everything in the box. I think this is a very interesting combination of beads. And I am kind of getting like holiday vibes from this. Like New Year's Eve vibes, actually. It's not really Christmassy, but it does have like some celebratory vibes to it. So I think they did a really good job with the selection here. So I really want to see what this is going to be like, alright? So I am going to have to film another video after this, but later on today, hopefully I will have time to put this together, and I will put a picture at the beginning and end of this video so you can see what all of this looks like put together. I think it's going to be pretty fun. It looks like a really nice collection. Definitely getting New Year's Eve vibes from this. Alright, so this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed the box opening, and like I said, I will have a link for the BohemStyle down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to have individual links here in case you just want a few things but not everything in the box. Maybe you just want these awesome melon beads or these gorgeous teardrops. These are amazing quality, by the way. These also have very round, smooth holes, and they won't cut your thread. Compared to the Chinese crystal ones, which have very sharp holes, and I never use those for bead weaving. I only use those for stringing with bead string wire because they are very sharp. So this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed the opening. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.